Alright, welcome back guys. Today we're going to do a little simple video. How to change the rear wiper for your Volvo XC40. A lot of the Volvos, the same procedure. Save yourself a little money. And you can do it yourself. We went with the OEM wiper blades. You can see here. If you guys want the part number, it's right here. So I think this fits a couple of the different Volvos. See here, the XC90, the XC40. So, but check which one you're gonna need, but they're all about the same. This one's here is for 2019, and I think up to 24 it should fit. They didn't change the model, so it should all be the same part. Let's open this guy up. Here. So it's just gonna clip right in. So you can go up to your windshield wiper in the rear. See it here. You don't want to take it and just pull down. It pops right out. Alright, so we get rid of the old one. Here's underneath. See this little rod here? That's where this piece is gonna go. And that's it for install. Let's put it. Pop it right in. That's pretty much it. Quick little easy install, save you some cash, and you can do it yourself. So this guy's helped you out anyway. Drop a like, drop a follow, and stay tuned for more Volvo and car how-to videos.